Hey guys, Shab here and welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be unboxing my new laptop, my personal computer. So let's just get into it. So guys, this is an Alienware M17 R4. So let's open it up. Okay, so I just gotta rotate it. So this is the box it came in. Both sides it's written Alienware M7. It's the Alienware right over here. That labeling and such. And we have some design over here, M17, because it's a 17-inch. We have some stuff over here, and we can just put it right up like this. Okay, so the packaging is great, though it's a little bit dented, so I'm worried a bit. So let's just open it up. Okay, there we go. So there's the laptop. Okay, looks great to me. It's the lunar light color. That is a great color. I wanted to get the dark side of the moon, but it wasn't available in the screen I wanted. Let's put it on the side for a bit. I'm just going to grab that and put it right over here. So you get this envelope. You can open it up. Okay. Okay, so this is the warranty information. This is their socials, Shab. Okay, very well. And we got some information. How to turn on your laptop. Yeah. Got it. Thanks. I know how to turn on your laptop. Thanks, Alienware. Well, I appreciate it. Just going to put that on the side. So let me just open up the power cables right over here. Oh my god. Okay, so I got the power brick, which is I'd say it's quite big. Like, wow, my hand, it's real big. So this is a 330 watt power brick right over here. You can see 330 watt. And another thing is the cable it comes with. Very well. Cable right there. I'm just going to put that there. And now let's take out the laptop itself. I'm just going to take this box. Oh my god, the box is quite heavy. Okay, so the laptop. It weighs about the same as my Razer Blade 17. I think it might be like 2 pounds heavier, but it's portable enough for me. Okay, there we go. We have the laptop. So 17-inch M17. There's the Alien right there. We're just going to rotate it just like this. So we have the vents right here, 2 vents right here. We have an HDMI. We have this thing, I think it's the Dell power. We have Thunderbolt. We have another thing, I don't know what this is. I think that's the Dell eGPU port. And then we have the charging cable. Rotate it like this. We have a lock, I think it's a system lock or something, not sure. And we have an Ethernet port right over here. We have one USB and one headphone jack. Micro SD card reader right here. 2 USB ports. So guys, that's it for the laptop itself. It looks pretty great. It is great, and I'm really happy with the purchase yet. Though I'm going to do a review soon, coming out in a day or two, about this after using it for a while, play some video games on it, and I'm going to be reviewing it, a detailed review about the specs, the hardware, and such. For the specs of this laptop, so I'm running a Core i9-10980HK with 32 GB of RAM and RTX 3080 with 16 GB VRAM. Wow. And I'm also running a 2 TB SSD in this laptop, not running RAID 0. I didn't want RAID, so I just took a normal 2 TB SSD. So that's the laptop itself. It has RGB all over it, which is something I like. So it's a great looking laptop. I'm just going to turn it on for now. Just turn it on. Okay, I've turned on the laptop. So this laptop is a 360 Hz screen with 1080p, because in 1080p you can't get really get I mean in 2K or 4K you can't get 360 Hz. It's not happening anytime soon actually. So for now I'm running a 360 Hz screen, which is a lot, and I am running a 1080p display with I think 100% sRGB. So that's great. Full specs will be on the screen for you guys. So the laptop looks good. Now let's talk about the keyboard. Something I've noticed, feels good. The keyboard feels good. I think it's still membrane, which is okay. And we have 4 macro keys over here, A, B, C, D. You can set up macros, like 4 of them. Normal size keyboard with a numpad, unlike the Razer one which I have, which is also a 17-inch, doesn't have a numpad, but this one, it does. A vent right here, I think these are the speakers. These might be the speakers. Touchpad, the glass one, pretty good. Feels good. Right over here we have Core i9, Intel Core i9. So for the laptop, it's great. It's running 16 GB of GDDR6 VRAM. That's great. Like, wow, 16 GB is a lot. It's running the RTX 3080, which is like the best laptop GPU you can get right now. So the wattage for this 3080 is actually 150 watts with I think 15 watts dynamic boost. So we can say it's 165 watts, I think. So that's one of the strongest, I think currently the only 165 or 150 watt laptop GPU in the market. But yeah, it's quite strong. So guys, please like and make sure to subscribe and turn on post notification so you can know whenever I upload a Alienware M17 R4 2021 review. So guys, thanks for watching again. See you in the next one. Goodbye.